Hi, welcome to Dassault Systèmes booth. Today is day 2 of InnoTrans and I'm gonna take you for a quick demo pod tour. I was wondering if you could train for a rail maintenance in the matrix. How would it look like? How would the experience look like? How would you do it without needing this red pill?
Yes, a few years ago, Matrix was a movie that imagined to train people with some, I will say, virtual world. We do the same. We are in Matrix. So this guy is training somebody in another place, in VR, and we don't need real world to do that. So we don't need the red pills from Matrix. We are just in the blue pills. So it's so easy to transfer knowledge.
If the trains could talk, what would they say is the secret behind DELMIA keeping them always on track and on time?
They will probably tell you that it's a mix of data and smarts. So DELMIA's magic relies on connecting all the dots of the puzzle, like scheduling, planning, even day of operations, just in one place. It's like giving to our trains some superpowers to know the best route, the perfect freight, and the right time.
Imagine you're a passenger on a high-speed train that's never late. What would you say is the magic that DELMIA sprinkles to make it work?
Okay, the magic, yeah, it's a bit like a concert. So to get the train operational, get it on time, there's a lot of activities going on in the background. There needs to be maintenance, the train needs to be in technical good shape, or you need to have a good plan. And a bit like in a concert, if there's just one musician that plays a false note, you hear that immediately in the audience, right? So the magic that we do is make that harmony of all the parties working together, so that if you're in the audience, that you get a beautiful concert.
The individual item of rolling stock, which will feature in here, they're a part of an orchestra. So like the orchestra, you've got the percussion, the woodwind, the brass, the strings, etc. They recognise they're a part of a big complex puzzle. They're all playing their role, and without everybody playing their role, then it's not going to work. And the role of DELMIA Quintic then is essentially like the conductor. It's orchestrating all of those individual components, all of those different items of rolling stock, whether it's Thomas the Tank Engine or Henry, they've all got a role to play, and the whole thing will not work unless everybody's playing their role in a planned and orchestrated fashion.
If building trains was like cooking, what would you say is the perfect recipe DELMIA uses to make sure every train comes out of their factory perfectly cooked and ready to roll?
Thank you for the question. So our secret recipe actually includes like a hefty serving of digital continuity, a dash of real-time data, and a pinch of augmented reality, in order for DELMIA to make sure that the engineering, the manufacturing, and the quality control are perfectly mixed together, in order for us to roll out every train with the precision as expected, like the ultimate 5-star meal.
If your train could send you a text when it needs a checkup, what would it say? How does DELMIA make sure that all your trains are always healthy and happy?
Okay, imagine that we are like a doctor, so we have to take care about these trains. It's like people. So we have to take information, are you good, are you too hot, how is feeling. So we get this information, and based with this information, we will set up, I will say, in-service virtual twin. What is it? It is a virtual twin dedicated for each train. And we will follow exactly each trains, the follow-up, are they good or not, and based on that, we will adapt the maintenance for each train. The exact procedure, like a doctor. If you feel bad, he will just give you the right medicine for your disease. We do the same job, in fact.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.